Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. I'm with Wholesale Halloween Costumes, and if you would like to see how to create this sugar skull neon look, then just keep watching. So starting off this look, I'm going to go ahead and put in some contact lenses. So I'm popping in these creepy red lenses to match the makeup and the costume. So starting off, I'm taking a dense brush and creating a little spiderweb design on my forehead with red eyeshadow. I'm marking out the lines, blending them out, and then filling in between to connect it all. Once that's done, I'm then moving on to my eyes. I'm creating a circle with the same red eyeshadow all around my eyebrow and eye socket, making sure to blend it out for that nice smooth blended look, and repeating the same thing to the other eye. Once that's done, it's time to work on the mouthpiece. So taking from my edge of the mouth to my ear, making a curved line and blending it out on both sides, then creating a little 3-leaf flower on my chin, making sure to blend it out as well. Once that little flower is done, it's time to go back to the mouth, and I'm creating 2 little designs on the top and the bottom of each side of the mouth and blending it out all together. Now overlining my lip like crazy, because you'll see later on, then filling it in with the same red eyeshadow. Going to the nose, I'm putting eyeshadow all around my nostrils, down the septum, and then bringing it to a peak on the bridge of my nose and connecting it all together. Now for the mouth, I'm creating the little lines on the top lip and bottom lip and on each side of my mouth, just to create that skull-like teeth mark, if you know what I mean. Creating those. Now with a black paint and a very fine tip brush, I am now filling in the center part of my eyes with black paint and just completely covering it and hiding it for that sugar skull effect, bringing the paint really close to my eye. Repeat the same thing to the opposite eye, and making sure to go over with 2 coats to give a very dark look. Filling in the center part of the nose now and bringing them to 2 little peaks as well, and blending that all out. Putting on 2 coats so it's nice and thick. Now for the 3 leaves flower, I'm just filling in the center of them. And now with a fine tip brush, I'm going in on the circle details of this look. So the spider web, the circles on each side of my cheeks, keeping it to the center part of the red. That is the main thing. Now for the spider web, I'm just creating the little center details in between the web for that shadow drop effect. Once the black is all done on this look, I'm going in with the white body paint now, and I'm keeping it to the center part of all the red eyeshadow. This gives that neon glow effect that you see in so many looks. Once I have that done on the spiderweb, I'm just fixing up some of the little black lines for the drop shadow, just to make it look more neat and clean. Once the spiderweb's to my liking, I'm then continuing on with the white body paint, and I'm outlining very slowly the black that I did around my eyes. Very steady hand, very slow, very time consuming. Once the circle is all done, I'm creating little semicircles on the outside of the line that I just did of the white, to create almost a little flower lace effect on the eye. Once that's all done, do the exact same thing to the other eye. Like so. So pretty. Continuing on the rest of the face, I'm outlining the black on my nose and continuing it down my nostrils on each side and the septum, connecting it all together at a point. Now for the chin, I'm outlining the black on the flower petals. Making sure to constantly dip the brush in the white so that it doesn't turn gray or red depending on what I'm coloring on. The most important thing is to keep dipping it in the white to get that nice vibrant color so it doesn't change throughout the look. So as you can see, I'm just keeping everything to the center of the red eyeshadow to give that glow neon effect. Now I'm outlining my natural lip that's under the eyeshadow and creating the lines that are on top and the bottom, and continuing to the other side the exact same thing. Outlining the circles, putting the lines down the eyeshadow, and connecting it all together. Now going back, I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and I'm bringing it really close to my lash line just to hide any color that's showing through. Now back to my lips and the white body paint, I'm creating a line halfway through my bottom lip. This is going to create a little spiderweb effect on my lips. So now taking the lines and curving them with my natural lip curve. As you guys can see, it starts to look like a little spiderweb. Now that is the entire makeup look. It is time for the wig and the headband and going on to the costume. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this Neon Glam Sugar Skull makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to Wholesale Halloween Costumes. And check out my channel, Caitlyn Kreklewich, for more looks like this. And until next time, bye!